about inside our earth and in-depth explanation. This is going to be a large lesson as it covers interior of earth, rock and minerals, fun facts. Today we are going to, the first topic is interior of earth. Crust is the outermost layer of the earth, thinnest layers of all. Continental mass is 35 kilometers and oceanic mass 5 kilometers as per the book of our environment 7th. Also 1% of earth. Continental mass is made up of Sial, also known as silica plus alumina, and the oceanic mass is made up of Sima, therefore known as silica plus magnesium. Mantle extends up to a depth of 2,900 kilometers, or you can say about 1,800 miles. The title of second layer and is 84% of Earth core. The innermost layer of the Earth has a radius of about 3,500 kilometers, approximately 2,174 miles. It is mainly made up of nickel and iron and is called as knife. Ni for nickel, Fe for ferrous or known as iron. The temperature of the central core is very high and the pressure is also very high. Now let us talk about rocks and igneous rocks. The earth crust is made up of various rocks. Any natural mass of mineral metal that makes up the earth crust is called as rock. Rock can be of many different colors, size and textures. There are mainly three types of rocks: igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic rocks. When molten magma cools, it becomes solid. The rocks thus formed are called igneous rocks. They are also called as primary rocks. There are two types of igneous rocks: intrusive and extrusive rocks. Lava is actually a pure red molten magma coming out of the interior of the earth on its surface. When this molten magma, lava, comes on the earth's surface, it rapidly cools down and becomes solid. Rocks formed in such a way on the crust are called as extrusive rock. They have fine grained structures. For example, basalt. The Deccan Plateau is made up of basalt. Sometimes the molten magma cools down deep inside the earth's crust. Solid rocks so formed are called intrusive igneous rocks. Since they cool down slowly, they form large grains. Granite are the example of such rocks. Sedimentary rocks. Rocks roll down, crack and hit each other and are broken down into small fragments or sediments. These small particles are known as sediments. These sediments are transported and deposited by wind, water, ice, also known as the agent of erosion. These loose sediments are compressed and hardened to form layers of rocks. These type of rocks are called sedimentary rocks. For example, sandstone is made up of grains of sand. These rocks may also contain fossils of plants, animals, and other microorganisms that lived once on them. Now let us talk about metamorphic rocks. Igneous and sedimentary rocks can change into metamorphic rocks under great heat and pressure. For example, clay changes into slate and limestone changes into marble. So minerals are the things that are made up of particular chemical composition. They have a specific chemical composition. Fun facts. The crust forms only 1% of the volume of the earth. 84% consists of mantle and 15% makes the core. Radius of the earth is 6,371 kilometers. Igneous rocks. Latin word ignis means fire. Sedimentary rocks. Sediment means settle down. Sedimentum means settle down. Metamorphic means Greek word metamorphosis,